We are in Tbilisi Central train station, and we are going to get on board this train and head for Batumi. That's the train.
Welcome aboard. Georgia Railway is proud to introduce this new passenger train which meets international modern standards of safety and comfort. Please take your seat and stow your luggage in the designated baggage areas. Please note that smoking is not allowed on board this train. Free wireless internet access is available during your trip.
Hello and good day from the city of Batumi in Georgia. We just got up and we're going to walk around the city. It's December 27th, 2021. So please follow us. This is the Black Sea in Batumi, and it's the 27th of December, but the weather is just beautiful. It's about 15 degrees and sunny. There's not much of a beach because it's all full of rocks, but it's beautiful. And over there, where those ships are, that's the port. Batumi is a port, obviously. And down this way, about 50 kilometers or so down that way, is the border with Turkey. That's the northeastern part of Turkey. If you haven't watched our video for that one, you can watch our video. We have a few videos on northeastern Turkey. We are going to continue our walk through the city, and we will film a couple of other interesting places. This is a long boulevard that goes basically along the beach across the city, and I think it's about maybe 10-15 kilometers. It's beautiful for walking, and there's lots of places where you can rent bicycles, and you could also rent scooters. It's not bad. It's very relaxing, very quiet, and I assume in the summer it will be really busy here. This is the statue of Ali and Nino. Usually they turn and they merge and then they separate, but it's not on now. I guess the guy is fixing something down here. Fish market of Batumi.
Deniz salamon, deniz ramla salamon barbunya. Şurada var.
We are in a fish market, in a restaurant right next to the fish market. It's called Blue Wave. Basically, you order, they bring the fish from the fish market, and they cook it for you, and it's right next to the water. Thank you. So this is where you order the fish from the fish market. They grill it here and they give it to you. It was just fantastic. So we made it to the top of this little mountain. I don't know what it's called. And we've got a very beautiful view from up top here. It shows all the city of Batumi.
Also show you.
I guess. wraps up our tour of the city of Batumi in the Republic of Georgia. It is sunset time. The Black Sea is behind us. That side is the Turkish border where the sun is setting. And this side, if you go north, you will have the Russian border. And we have the beautiful Caucasus Mountains. Some of them are showing here in the background. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and like the video. Thank you.